Hi, my name is Kerry McIntyre, and welcome to Nalbedinco America's Ask the Trainer series, where we talk about code and how that code might apply to you. Today we're going to talk about clearances. Yes, the code actually gives you clearances for particular service options, but all manufacturers actually require a certain amount of clearance for operational purposes for the outdoor unit. Today we're going to focus on what Nalbedinco America has for the ductless and/or single-phase VRF side. So right here I've got one of our brackets. It's a wall-mounted bracket. This is the actual base. The capacity is 331 pounds. The single-phase VRF I have on my house, the outdoor unit, weighs 294 pounds. So this is more than enough at 331 pounds. Probably the best, most robust wall mount I've ever seen out there. Looks to be made probably close to about 18 gauge or so for the actual brackets that mount on the wall. So you're in good shape. If clearances or any part of your installation is not specifically outlined in the International Mechanical Code, you always go to the manufacturer's instructions. If it is outlined in the mechanical code and the manufacturer's instructions actually are more stringent, you always follow the most stringent of the two. And in that case, you would follow the manufacturer's installation. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube. We're on LinkedIn. We're pretty much everywhere. Go to our website at nalbedinco-america.com, download our catalog, and take a look at what we've got. We have a solution for you. I guarantee it. Have a great day and stay safe.